Yeah. Berangkat lepas nih. Berangkat sebelum opening ceremony.
The aero models you see flying by are from the team based in Indore. Their slick designs and precise control create a truly spectacular display. Each maneuver showcases their exceptional skill and dedication, transforming the sky into a canvas of aerodynamic artistry. Prepare to be amazed by their impressive aerial choreography.